everyone, this is Joanna from ATOMY Canada. In the last episode of Smart Atomian's Guide, we learned how to create a Zoom account and how to join Zoom meetings. In this episode, we will learn how to host Zoom meetings. Let's start by going to the Zoom homepage. Now, let's log in. Enter your email and password. Now, on the top right corner of the screen, click on My Account and then click on Schedule a Meeting. Let's schedule our meeting by setting the topic, description, date, and duration. If you want to make your meeting private, you can set a password. Make sure to check on for both host and participant video options. Click on the blue Save button. There you go, your meeting has been scheduled. But what if we need to make some changes in our meeting? Well, it's pretty easy. Just click on the Edit button. Now, let's click on Start this meeting. Click on the Open Zoom Meeting option on the top window or click on Launch Meeting. Click on Join with Computer Audio to connect your audio with Zoom. To invite others to your Zoom meeting, click on Participants on the bottom of your screen, then click on Invite. Now, let's click on Copy Invite link. Then, paste the invitation link in the chat room with your partners. Just an extra note, Zoom offers some paid plans that allow you to have benefits such as meeting time extension. When you have participants in the waiting room of your Zoom meeting, you can accept them here so they can actually participate. If there is anyone with their videos turned off, drag the mouse on top of their names and click More, then click on Ask to Start Video to send a request. Share Screen allows you to share your computer screen to others in the meeting. If you click on the arrow icon, you can see more options of screen sharing. For example, everyone can share their screen at the same time. Share Screen option can make your business meeting much more effective. You can share PowerPoint presentations and other files or even your browser. It is so easy, right? Definitely a good tool to use. When the meeting is over, all you have to do is click on End button. With this episode, you can now host your business meetings on Zoom. You now know everything about this amazing online platform, from downloading the app and joining meetings to hosting your own. Now, it's your turn to use all the material you've learned to create meetings and leverage your ATOMY business. See you all in the next episode. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.